Today's date is October 21st, 2024, and today I'm going to be seeing what I can do to fix these buttons on the Maximat. So, because these buttons here operate the mill head and as well as a motor for the turret. So anyway, I'm going to be taking this apart and seeing what we can do to fix this button right here. So I'll be back. Okay, I kind of got this thing working now. So what I'm going to do, so that's working fine. The release is working fine now. This is the other speed right here. Now when this switch is down, this switch works. That's for the mill right here. And I don't know what that one is for yet. I'll have to figure that out. Anyway, it releases when I press the stop button there. So this is forward and reverse. It looks like forward and reverse. So all of this is working more freely now. So I still I don't know what that symbol means there, right there. So I gotta see what that is, but that releases with that. So I'm going to use this piece of Delrin here to see if I can make a push button like this. So I'm going to be doing some fabricating here, and then I'll be back. Okay, well, I got this reasonably flat right now. What I'm trying to do is get this so those two surfaces are parallel, and then where's my sample? Dang, I'm having a hard time keeping track of my button. So I need to find that, and I'll get back. But anyway, I'm going to get this squared up, and then I'll use the mill to make it squared up. Well, when I last left you, I was going to take this Delrin and use the mill to make this part right here. But I might have found a facsimile of what I need right here. I found these were the covers for the batteries I bought for the crash cart. So I'm thinking about using JB weld right here, and maybe using this. It's the right color and everything. I just gotta make it so it'll slide over this and let it fill up with JB weld. So I think I'm gonna do that. And instead of messing around with that Delrin, I can use that for something else. So I'm gonna try filling this. As you can see, I'm gonna fill that with 5-minute or the quick drying JB weld, and it looks like it's the right height. It's a little bit longer, but not by much. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this out of JB weld and put something in there to so I can have this hole right here. See that in the center? That goes over this right here. I don't know what you can see that. There, that's better. So basically that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put something in there and then have it be like this other button here. Everything else is fine. It's all working now. So anyway, I'm going to do that. Oh, as something else I got done I found a piece of aluminum out there. There wasn't a very good cover on this, so I'm going to use this aluminum plate, and that I cover the back of this up. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing. One of the issues I have to do is I got to drill this hole out, and I want to put this, I think that's an 832 in there, but I need a tap, so I got to go buy some taps and stuff, and I'll do that in the morning. So anyway, that's where we're at, and I'll probably finish this up in the morning. I mainly want to get this done tonight before I lock the shop up. So that's where we're at. Okay, so this is what I've done. I got some swab sticks. I put 3 of them together. This is to simulate this post right here, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I wrapped it with Teflon tape, and I'm going to let me show you here. I'm going to put that in there like that, and then I'm going to fill it with the JB weld. So I'll be back after that's done. Well, I got it done. It's about 6 o'clock. I have to get a rubber grommet for here and there, but I got the back cover on, and I've got the push buttons working. So let's plug this in and actually see how it works. Let's put this in here. And I need to plug this part in. This is the power cord. And that goes down here. I don't know why the camera went off, but we have power here. I got everything cleared up. Let's see what happens here. Well, that's working. So the new switch is fine. That's forward and reverse. And I guess that's a high speed. And this is this white switch is for the mill. So this is our mill right here. So everything is doing pretty good. All right. So I'm going to call this done. I'm going to clean up tomorrow, but we got this all worked out here. No, it kind of looks like to me right here that this is hinged. Look at that. It looks like there's a hinge there. So I need to figure out how that's locked in there. That's interesting. There must be some kind of access to the gearbox. We had that off, but I don't know why this hinge is out. I'll have to research that some. So anyway, it's all working, and I'm done for the evening.